Get ready, sneakerheads and Tekken fans, because Nike just dropped a bombshell. We're talking about the new Air Foamposite 1 Jin, celebrating 30 years of Tekken. If you're a fan of epic battles, iconic characters, and killer style, stick around because this sneaker is packed with details you won't want to miss. Alright, let's break it down. Inspired by the legendary Tekken character Jin KAZAMA, Nike has brought his fierce look and story to life in this incredible design. This isn't just any sneaker, it's like having a piece of the Tekken universe on your feet. The Foamposite's iconic molded upper shows off bold, gritty gray hues, textured layers, and utility-inspired trims that give off serious motocross and combat vibes, just like Jin himself. But wait, it gets even better. Check out that lightning print streaking across the shoe, symbolizing Jin's electrifying attacks. It's edgy, intense, and all about capturing that fighter spirit. Plus, Nike didn't stop there. They gave these kicks a tinted outsole as a nod to Tekken 8's legendary Fist Meets Fate storyline. With every step, you're literally walking in the footsteps of the Mishima Bloodline saga. This is storytelling, style, and hype all in one package. Now let's talk details, because this isn't just about style, it's about exclusivity. This limited edition release goes for 21,695 rupees. For a sneaker this iconic, it's not just footwear, it's a collector's item, a tribute to Tekken history, and an instant conversation starter. So what do you think? Are you ready to rock the Air Foamposite 1 Jin and take on the next chapter in style? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if these kicks are going straight to your collection or into your daily rotation. This is one drop you won't want to sleep on. Stay tuned for more unboxings and reviews. And remember, when the hype is this real, you don't want to miss a beat.